Hello and welcome to Rohit's Kitchen Garden. In this video, I will show you how to use fish emulsion fertilizers. Let's start with knowing what exactly it is. It is an organic liquid fertilizer which is made from the byproducts of fish. It is low in plant nutrients and non-harmful to the environment and the plant. Generally, it does not have any notable cons, except for the odor, but here are some points. So the most important thing about using this fertilizer is that you need to keep in mind the proportions. Follow the proportions as directed. People may choose to spray this on their plants or drench the soil, but I prefer drenching the soil because when I sprayed it on the leaves of my plants, it became yellow and died out within 1 to 2 days. I am using a 5-liter can, so I added about 10 ml of the fertilizer into the can and used it like I would regularly water my plants. You can use it on sowed seeds as well